Hi friends, how are you? Today our video topic is how to export table from Google Sheets. So follow me step by step. Here we can see the table. You want to publish or export the table? At first select the table. Here many way to export table. Now I show the easiest way. Select the table and go to the file menu. Then click the print option. Then go to the print option and select the selected cell. We can see here the table. Now I make the page portrait, then click next, then click the print option and click OK. Now we export the table easily. I hope you understand this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share my video. Thanks for watching.